welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. I have some very exciting news for my subscribers. I am giving away a 3 days, 2-night stay for 2 Getaway in Las Vegas. As in, I'm picking one winner, and whoever wins can bring one more person with them to the Las Vegas trip. All you have to do is subscribe, tell all your friends and family about my channel, Liz Tramble on YouTube. Get them to subscribe. And once they've subscribed, make sure that they comment on any of my videos and say such and such referred me to this channel. And the more I see your name being mentioned in the comment section, the better chances of you becoming the winner of the 3 days, 2-night stay for 2 Getaway in Las Vegas. Help me reach my 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of this year. Woo! I will be announcing the winner at the end of January 2019. And if you want to know how to make money online from 4 to 5 figures per week with the potential of becoming a 6 to 7 figure earner per annum, click the link below, the link that's in the description box, and you too can start having financial freedom. Today is Techful Tuesday. So a few videos ago, I had a subscriber ask me to do a video explaining a bit more in depth about having an online business or making money online. And I'm just getting an opportunity to do so. But I just want to say this real quick. There are tons of different ways of making money online, but I'm just going to talk about what I'm currently doing and what's working for me, what I'm comfortable about doing in terms of making money online, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's services or other people's products. Now let's try that again. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's services or other people's products, and you get paid in commissions. So how I came across affiliate marketing was when I was working at the St. Louis Auto Show earlier this year as a promotion specialist for FCA, and I was having a conversation with one of my managers, and somehow the conversation turned into online marketing, YouTube, and then he starts saying, I want to start doing affiliate marketing. And so me, with my inquisitive self, I asked him, what is affiliate marketing? Even though I didn't get a definite answer from him that day, but I remember him saying that a lot of people are making a whole lot of money with affiliate marketing. So I thought to myself, wait a minute, I want to make a whole lot of money. I mean, who doesn't? I mean, I like the good life. Hello, I like nice jewelry. I like driving nice cars, expensive bags, expensive shoes. I like traveling. So I took it upon myself to go and do some research about affiliate marketing. And it turned out that he was very right. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative ways of making money online. There are companies out there who are willing to pay you generous commissions just for being their affiliate. There are companies who are willing to pay you up to $1,000 per conversion. As in, you get somebody to sign up for a particular service or buy a particular product, and you get paid up to $1,000 in commission. And I'm pretty sure it varies per company or per program. But again, I'm just talking about what I'm doing and what they pay me. And by they, I mean the program that I'm currently involved in, which is called Legendary Marketer. Now there's thousands upon thousands of other affiliate marketing programs that are out there. My friend who's a business mogul down in Atlanta, her company has an affiliate marketing program. But what I like about Legendary Marketer is that you get an assigned coach and you don't need any experience. They do all the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is just keep promoting. What you got to do is just get people at the door and they'll take care of the rest. Okay, so you don't do no cold callings. You certainly don't do any door-to-door, and you don't email anybody. They take care of all of that, as in doing follow-ups. You just need to be coachable. And to me, that all made sense, because I know if you've been following my videos from my first video, I have been working as an independent contractor representing Fortune 500 companies at different events. So I've worked as a marketing rep, sometimes a sales rep, a promo girl, a brand ambassador, which is pretty much all the same thing. So I had already got the idea in terms of the marketing side of it, but the idea of being online and, you know, doing sales and marketing, it was very new to me, which is one of the reasons why I decided to join Legendary Marketer, because they have coaches. So you get to earn while you learn. It's an ongoing training, and they pretty much set you up for success. And if you want to know more about this program, go ahead and click on the link that's in the description box. And next time, we will be discussing step by step on how to get started with affiliate marketing. And I just want to say thank you to each and every single one of you who have already subscribed. Mwah! 1,000 kisses to each and every single one of you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I'm still giving away the 3 days, 2 night stay getaway Las Vegas trip. All you have to do is subscribe. Make sure you tell all your friends and family about my channel, Liz Tramble on YouTube. Get them to subscribe. And once they've subscribed, they should comment on any of my videos and say such and such referred me to this channel. And the more I see your name being mentioned in the comments section, the better chances of you becoming the winner of the 3 days, 2 night stay for 2 getaway Las Vegas trip. I will be announcing the winner at the end of January 2019. So until next time, until next Tuesday, va bene.